Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up a paid Discord server using Whop in 2025, step by step. Whether you are running a community around investing, gaming, education, or any niche hobby, monetizing your Discord server is now easier than ever. Let's be honest, Discord isn't just for gaming anymore. It's become a serious income stream for creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs. From exclusive expert communities to paid access to powerful bots, the opportunities are huge. So, if you are ready to turn your Discord into a revenue generating machine, stick with me. Let's dive right in. Step 1, create your Discord server. First, if you have not already, go ahead and create your Discord server on Discord. Set up your channel, role, and permission based on the kind of content and value you plan to offer. Think of it like building your own private club. What's inside should feel exclusive. Step 2, create a Whoop account. Next, head over to the whoop.com and create your account. Whoop is the tool that connects your Discord server with a full payment system and access control. It's designed especially for creators like us who want to offer paid communities. Step 3, add the Discord app in Whoop and connect your server. Once you are inside Whoop, go to the app section and find the Discord integration and connect your server. This steps is crucial. It allows Whoop to automatically manage who gets access based on their subscription status. Step 4, set up Stripe payments. Whoop uses Stripe to handle payments. Just link your Stripe account or create one if you don't have it yet. This is where your subscription revenue will land securely and efficiently. You can also set pricing tiers, trial period, and much more, all from within Hoop. Step 5, promote your server. Now that everything's set up, it's time to get the word out. Use your social media platform, website, or YouTube channel to drive traffic. Clearly highlight the value people will get by joining, whether it's insight tools or access to a passionate community. And that's it. Your paid Discord server is ready to go. With Discord, Whoop, and Stripe working together, managing a subscription based community in 2025 has never been smoother. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like and leave a comment with your question. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech how to's. Catch you in the next video.